Hi, everybody. My name is Dr. Carrie McKenna, and I work here at Gateway Community and Technical College. I teach English classes here at the college, and I also teach teacher preparation classes. And finally, I am our director of our Teaching and Learning Center here. Don't worry about that. That's a really fancy thing for just saying that I support and help our faculty be the best that they can possibly be. In addition to supporting this faculty, however, I have decided that this is the perfect year for me to also help support our students and to help you guys be the best that you can possibly be this semester. So on that end, I am going to be a success coach for you here at the college. In my role as a success coach, I am here to be your number one cheerleader. Whenever you're having any doubts or any questions or wondering, why did I decide to be a college student this semester? Just reach out to me because I am going to be really good at being a pep talk type of person to help pick you up and talk through whatever challenges that you're experiencing right then and there to help you get through it at the time. I'm also here to help you with study skills and make sure that you are doing your best in all of your classes academically. And I am also able to help you know who it is that you need to contact here at the college. I'm friends with just about everybody here, so if you have a question about financial aid, I can connect you to the right person. Or if you have a question for the business office or even your faculty members, I'm here to be able to support you through that whole process. And finally, if you have any questions whatsoever, I am your personal assistant. Okay, so think of me as Google Home Assist, or you can call me Amazon. What is that one for Amazon? I don't even remember. We have a Google Home Assistant. I don't remember Amazon. I keep thinking Siri, but I know it's not Siri. Anyway, I digress. If you need me for anything at all, please reach out to me. You can contact me via my email at carrie.mckenna@kctcs.edu. Or even more quickly and efficiently, you can contact me via text message at 513-268-7162. Just do me a huge favor. When you text me, make sure you put your name in it so I know who it is I'm talking to. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I'm here for you. Expect to get an email from me every week or so, just to check in, see if you need anything, and know that you can reach out to me at any time during this whole process. Thanks so much, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye.